It's such a simple game, but today we're going to learn and play Old Maid. You pass out the cards around the table in a clockwise motion, and there's a great app that actually makes it fun. Here it is right here. This one is with 4 players. I'm on the bottom. And the way it works is there's a deck of cards, and in the deck of cards there are pairs. So the two of the cards all match and have the same picture, and they are a pair. But there's one card that has no match, and it's called the Old Maid. It's the old lady. And the idea is that everyone goes around picking a card from the person on their right, and we go in a circular motion, as you'll see in a second. And if you pick a card that makes a match, you lay the match down. If you have a match in your hand, you lay the match down. So then people have fewer and fewer and fewer cards. And at the end, when all the matches have been found and everyone's out of cards, one person will be holding one card, and that one card is the Old Maid, and they lose. So I see I'm playing with Joe, Ann, and Sam. I have my cards on the bottom, and I actually think I already have a pair. I have that tiger and that tiger. So you can just, if you have matches in your hand, tap on them even before you get started. I've also got a koala, and it looks like another koala, so get rid of those. So now Ann lays out her matches too. Everyone lays out their matches, and now it's time to begin. I begin by picking from the person to my right. We're going in a clockwise motion, and so I'll pick one of Sam's cards, and Joe picked one card, Ann picked a card, Sam picked a card and made a match. Now it's my turn again. I keep picking from Sam. Oh, and it looks like I got a match. Now Joe will pick from me, Ann will pick from Joe, Sam will pick from Ann, going in this clockwise circle, and I'll pick another one. And no match. Looks like Joe got a match. Let me pick another one. No match. Still no matches with me. Looks like, oh, Ann finally got a match. And Sam got a match. No matches there. Oh, Joe got a match. And so far, I don't know who has the Old Maid. I know it's not me. Oh, wait a minute. It is me. That's the Old Maid right there. Oh, Joe, you need to pick that Old Maid. Come on, Joe. Pick the Old Maid. Oh, no. Joe, pick the Old Maid quickly. Oh, you keep picking that card. Oh, no. We're getting down to the bottom, guys. And I've got a match. This is fewer cards. Come on, Joe. Pick. Yes, he picked that Old Maid. Nice. Okay, let me pick another card. Hopefully I won't have to get that Old Maid. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. I've got the Old Maid again. No. Oh, no, and that's a match. Please. And that's a match. Please, Joe, pick the Old Maid. Oh, no. Oh, no. And now I got the Old Maid. Let's play it again, because I don't like to lose. There's all my cards. It looks like Ann has a match out of the start. So does Sam. He has a couple of matches. And I have one match too. I have these fish. And here we go. I don't have the Old Maid to start. So I'll draw from Sam. Joe will draw from me. Ann draws from Joe. She has a match. Sam draws from Ann. And now it's my turn to draw. Joe has another match. I don't want that Old Maid. Oops, I have a match. I have 2 zebras. Oh, another match. Nice job, Sam. Who has the Old Maid? Hopefully not me. Now, I don't have a lot of matches, but at least I don't have the Old Maid. A lot of cards out there, but... Okay, draw again. Oops, I finally have a match there. I've got 4 cards left. I still haven't seen an Old Maid. Now we're getting down to the bottom. Everyone has just 2 or 3 cards. Sam has just 1 card. I've got 3 cards. Joe has 1. That Old Maid is out there somewhere. Please don't be this one. Okay, so I'm down to 1 card. Oh, and Anne has the Old Maid. Super simple game, so much fun for family and friends. The app makes it simple, but I actually think you could buy a set of cards. I'll put a link to an Amazon set of cheap but fun Old Maid cards that you can get. Play with your friends, play with especially with your family, with your kids. It is a great, great family game. So simple to play, so simple to learn. That's all.